Hi everyone, my name is Kim Donnelly. I am the author of STEMistry Books, a collection of rhyming science stories for kids, basically ages 3 through 7 or 8. And the intent is for the rhyming stories to make science fun and easy for kids. So, in addition to the illustrated, colorful picture books. I also have some coloring books with activity pages that also include an answer key. So this still has the actual story about the water molecule H2O. So this is called Bonding with Friends, Water H2O, the coloring book. So all of the inside can be colored. And the story that is in my original books is also put into the coloring book. So it's not only a coloring book, it can also be an educational science story that that helps kids understand the water molecule and how it is formed. So I'll actually read the story, and then you can imagine what it looks like when your child colors everything in. H is friends with the letter O. When they bond, they can form water, H2O. O, or oxygen, has two hands like us, and holding hands for him is a must. No hand to hold makes him feel incomplete, so he calls his friend Hydrogen, who lives down the street. Hydrogen friends only have one hand to give. Thankfully, his hydrogen or H friends are twins. So oxygen held out his left and his right, and each hydrogen grabbed on real tight. They felt stronger together instead of being alone. This bond is something you'll see in your home. You see these three friends more than you think when taking a bath and turning on the sink. You can see the little H2O molecules along with the water drops. You need H, and O to hold hands every day. Lucky for us, they like it this way. Let's say a big thank you to H2O. Without it, plants and our food wouldn't grow. It quenches our thirst and fills up the pool. Our H2O friends make one cool molecule. So that's the end of the story. And then there are activity pages that help solidify their understanding. So here there's how many hands or bonds does oxygen have, and draw them on the element below. How many hands or bonds does hydrogen have? Draw them below. I've gotten feedback or reviews that kids as young as 3 are able to answer this correctly. And then here's a little checklist. Our friend H2O spends time in all of these places. Check off the ones you've seen. May seem obvious for an adult, but this just helps kids solidify the understanding that water is in a lot of different places, like lake, snow, the pet water bowl, our bodies, the ocean. So just kind of helps them understand how where that water is pretty much everywhere. Find hydrogen and oxygen on the periodic table of elements. So this can kind of be a little bit of a search. This is also shown in my fully illustrated book. So it's just a really easy introduction to the periodic table so that when they see it later in science classes, it won't be scary at all because they'll have seen it already. Um, this is kind of an introduction, very easy introduction for how to read the periodic table. So it's basically asking, is hydrogen or oxygen heavier? And there's a hint. You can refer to the legend below, and everything you need is just on this page. So here you can see the atomic weight is at the bottom, and that's what's bolded here. So you can reference the different atomic weights at the bottom to decide what the answer is. And then a more advanced chemistry concept, but something that young kids really can do. How much does the water molecule H2O weigh? So there's a hint that you add up the weight of all three friends using the information below. Again, the atomic weight is, we have helium as an example here. The atomic weight is bolded as a bit of a hint, and then all you need is this information, and so you have one oxygen and two hydrogens, and so there I think most kids that can do basic math will be able to do this. And then there's always the answer key at the back that will help them check their work. There's also a word search, and then we get to the answer key. So I won't show all of the answers, but hopefully you or your child can enjoy this book. They can color, they can solidify the understanding of fairly advanced chemistry concepts that preschoolers, early elementary school readers can actually do. So hope you enjoyed. These are available at STEMistryBooks.com. These are some of my other books as well if you did enjoy it. These are all available on Amazon. So STEMistryBooks.com will just let you see more about the book, or just get you to the Amazon link to actually place an order. And most of these are Prime shipping. So hope you enjoyed, and stay curious. Bye.